Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Kia Sorento with the remote. First, make sure your vehicle is securely locked. This is a crucial safety step before initiating the remote start sequence. The remote start function operates within a certain distance, so be sure you are close enough for the signal to reach your Sorento. Locate the specific remote start button on your key fob, which often has a circular arrow icon. This button is your gateway to convenience. To begin, press the lock button on your key fob one time. This action prepares your Sorento for the remote start command. Immediately after pressing lock, press and hold the remote start button. You'll typically need to hold it for about 2 to 3 seconds. You'll know it's working when the engine starts and the vehicle's exterior lights flash a few times, confirming the command was received. This process is designed for quick and easy activation. Once your Sorento is running remotely, you can approach and unlock the doors using your key fob or the smart entry system. Don't worry, the engine will continue to run even after you open a door. To take full control, simply get inside and insert your key into the ignition, turning it to the on position. If your Sorento has a push-button start, just press the start button while your foot is on the brake. You are now ready to drive. Keep in mind that the remote start feature usually runs for a set duration, often around 10 minutes, before automatically shutting off. For safety, never use remote start in an enclosed area, such as a garage, due to exhaust fumes. Always refer to your Kia Sorento's owner's manual for any model-specific details or unique features related to your remote start system. Understanding these points ensures safe and effective use of this convenient function.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.